Okay, so they just issued a SVA 552. So eventually they'll tone it on WSV3. Not WSV3. WGA1. It was that Mexico discussion now. There it is. I forgot to get this SVR. They're about to put it on WSV3. They're gonna eventually tone it. Where'd it go? Come on. It tone it. Tone the SVA. Oh. Now it just popped up. Severe thunderstorm watch. Severe thunderstorm watch 552 is in effect until 8 p.m. EDT for the following locations. Connecticut counties included are Fairfield, Hartford, Litchfield, Middlesex, New Haven, New London, Taunton, Wyndham. Massachusetts counties are included are Berkshire, Essex, Franklin, Hampton, Hampshire, Middlesex, Worcester. New Hampshire counties included are Belclap, Cheshire, whatever you say that, Hillsborough, Mears, Mac, Rockingham, Stratford, Sullivan. In New Jersey, counties included are Bergen, Burlington, Camden, Essex, Gloucester, Hudson, Hunterdon, Mercer, Middlesex, Monmouth, Morris, Ocean, Passex, Somerset, Sussex, Union, and Warren. In New York counties included are Albany, Bronx, Columbia, Delaware, Dutchess, Greene, Kings, Nassau, New York, Manhattan part. So basically the metro. Orange, Putnam, Queens, Rensselaer, Richmond, Rockford, Cincinnati Lady, Shockadair, Hutfulloch, Sullivan, Gloucester, and Westchester. In Pennsylvania includes Adams, Berks, Bucks, Chester, Columbia, Dolphin, whatever, how you say that, Delaware, Lackawanna, Lancaster, Lebanon, however you say that, I forgot. Montgomery, Baltimore, Northampton, Northumberland, Philadelphia, Pike, Schuylkill, North Carolina, Wayne, Wyoming, and New York. Vermont counties included are Bennington and Wyndham. And distant coastal waters included are Long Island Sound east of New Haven. Wait, hold on. New Haven, what the fuck? What is it? Connecticut? Oh yeah, Connecticut. Port Jefferson, New York to the mouth of the Connecticut River. Long Island Sound of the mouth of Connecticut. Long Island Sound east of the mouth of Connecticut River. Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut. Port Jefferson, New York, and New York Harbor. Pennock Gardner's Bays, South Shore Bays from Jones Inlet through Shudstock. Oh.
attention, please.
No. There it is. Severe thunderstorm watch. Oh, fuck.
Is a severe thunderstorm watch announcement from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 552, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Camden, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, and Monmouth, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 552 has been issued from 1 p.m. until 8 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Camden, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, and Monmouth, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.
Oh, another one. The hell is this?
Your attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
Not again. Oh, shit.
Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 552, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Pennsylvania:
half of
Carbon,
fucking
Columbia,
New York.
Lackawanna, Luzerne, Monroe, Pike, Schuylkill,
And
Susquehanna, Wayne, and Wyoming. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast.
Wow,
for your
that was
safety. If your area is affected,
unexpected.
take all necessary.
Hey, do you have
and
a
listen or outlets for further updates.
Don't you dare go off again.